Discount airlines are in the crosshairs of the Italian air regulators after they opened an inquiry into possible price fixing for flights in and out of Sicily. Now, the probe is for this last weekend over Christmas, when allegations were made by consumer groups that there had been a fixing of prices of airline flights in and out of Sicily. Now, amongst the reports this morning, Reuters says that it's tried to contact all three discount airlines that operate across Europe. That's easyJet, Ryanair and Wizz Air. And it says that easyJet has been the only one to come back. And it says that there has been no price fixing from easyJet to and from Sicily over the weekend. There's nothing coming back so far from Ryanair or from Wizz Air, according to that Reuters report, at least. Let's take a look at what's happened in terms of price action, because I want to begin, first of all, with easyJet. Now, easyJet, you can see here, if you can see very briefly, we saw a new lower low, levels not seen since the 31st of October, actually, this year for easyJet, as we see prices drop. But in fact, that was at 1.3% down. That's probably one of the poorer performers. We had originally seen a 2.5% drop for Wizz Air, but that's now down just 2/3 of 1%. We've got very, very thin volumes today, and I think there's no real trade out of this particularly, but I think it's worth watching what's happening. We've got Ryanair here with the trade lowest since the 17th of November. So there is a little bit of a downdraft in what is otherwise either a steady or a positive day across the European equity markets today. But at the moment, at least, it's certainly going to be interesting to see just what happens. This investigation is going to conclude by the end of the year. So it's just a couple more days before we find out whether or not there has been any price fixing according to the Italian regulator. For more videos from us here at IGTV, join us on Twitter at IGCom, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.